Stop 9, the Woodland Shade Garden. The winding gravel trail and locust log steps that rise from the forest farm required hundreds of hours of volunteers' effort to construct. When this garden was started in 2014, most of this part of the grounds was covered in invasive plants like Chinese privet, Asian bittersweet, and multifloral roses. So our first focus was to remove and control the invasive non-native plants and then to construct the trail. It is important to note that as we remove the invasive species plants, we quickly replace the open space with native species of shrubs and perennials. This restoration of the habitat has helped make it productive again for pollinators, birds, and wildlife. So now we are pleased to be able to say, welcome to the Woodland Shade Garden. Shade is indeed welcome on a hot summer day, and not all gardens need lots of sun. Beneath this tall canopy of native trees, you will now find growing some of our loveliest wildflowers and ferns. Some are ephemerals, that is, they emerge and flower over a few weeks' time, usually in the spring, then die back to the ground until the following year. You may have to visit several times during different seasons before you see them all. Some of the perennials in this garden are present, with or without flowers, throughout the growing season. As you ascend the trail, see if you can find our plant markers to learn more about these shade-loving plants. You may also be able to see a mixture of shade-loving shrubs in the background, including native azaleas, dogwoods, viburnums, and hydrangeas. Did you know that in 2019 humans produced 50% more carbon emissions than we did in 1970? Did you know that the figure could be halved if we just divide by 2? That is not a serious math question, but there is something that you can do to reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. You can plant more native plants and protect existing native plants, especially native trees. They help to capture carbon and at the same time protect the natural world. Follow the steep trail steps to the top of the Woodland Shade Garden. You can check out the many native plants with QR codes as you climb. As you enter the parking lot, please be careful crossing the asphalt to the deck sitting area and stop 10, the next stop on our tour.
My home's across the Blue Ridge Mountains. My home's across the Blue Ridge Mountains. My home's across the Blue Ridge Mountains. And I never expect to see you anymore.